Okay, let's create one first. Multiple components profiles. Here I have used AI to provide me with latest profile. We can just copy it directly. Then we save. Use the .coms app to pull the image. Here we confirm our configuration file. Then we clear the screen, pull the mirror, and start it. And it's almost there. And here's a bunch of the logs that he put out. We'll wait for his log output to pause. Then we give it an exit. Let it run in the background. Press and hold Control and C here to exit. Then add a bar D to run in the background. Here I have represented the domain name. Click to skip. Then go to our main page. It displays a bunch of dashboard data. Okay, here you can see a bunch of our graph data. We will set a warning according to the CPU later. Wait until it exceeds how much. We will send a notification. Avoid being implanted by mining viruses.